Okay, I am back again, and this time I finally got the Outcast out. Yeah, the first time I ever took it out, I kind of wrecked some stuff on it, so it's been sitting in the basement for a while, waiting for me to fix it. And so it's fixed. And it is windy as heck out here. And it has benefited from all the lovely EXP stuff. Yeah. Including that wheelie bar that I done came up with that can't be broken. And as you can see, it doesn't actually look like an Outcast anymore. This is my Outcast ATV. In other words, I put the stupid... what body is this again? Oh, Axle Yeti XL. Paneled and tore up and put on several different other trucks. And now it's the Outcast's turn. Oh boy. Yeah, it is definitely windy out here. So yeah. I 5 in it with the 780 Hobby Star on, let's see, I think it's, yeah, it's Punch 3. Yeah, the only thing that I changed on the ESC was the voltage of got the 7.2. And this one does have the SPC servo in it. I thought to myself, yeah, every time I take something out that looks like an Outcast, I'm actually pretty dang hard on it. So, maybe if I put another body on it, I won't think it's an Outcast. But I don't think it really matters anymore. Because, yeah, poor truck is about to get wrecked. I mean, it's behaving like an Outcast. It wants to be an Outcast. Even though I put another body on it, I'm treating it like an Outcast. And yeah, the first time I took my Outcast out, it was bad. Second time, it didn't survive. I really do want to full send this thing, but the gearing I have on this, if I can remember it, was 4134. Yeah, I don't know why it's not 1-to-1. It really does need to be 1-to-1. Oh yeah, I also got the Crusher chassis on it. Ah, I missed. Completely missed. Feels like I'm out there with LBC because I have been out here for a few minutes. I mean, I'm pretty sure a rod end is going to be bent. I mean, not a rod end, a shaft is going to be bent. That's obvious. But, I mean, I'm pretty much, okay. I'm about, let's see, about 50 feet away from the rim, so, yeah, 50 feet. Tumbling and bumbling. I know it done knocked off the lights, so it probably knocked off the fan. Oh, the fan's still going. Yeah, the lights got disconnected. And, oh, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to strap down the ESC. because that was one of the, the rear body mount broke. Yes. So the ESC is floating, fan's still on. It disconnected from the lights and the rear body mount is broke. Well, the body is straight and it's heavy, so that's probably what destroyed the mount. But if you haven't noticed, I put that down for a reason because I pretty much knew that the rear mount was going to get destroyed. So yeah, the wing is actually going to hold the body in place for now. But let's run it again and see if I can get this straightened up. That was right on the fucking body. Oh yes! Big heavy truck landing right on the body. On the limbs. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's an LVC right now. Were we in an LVC? That just goes to show you just how much power this thing has. If it can wheelie an LVC, we are all good. Oh, it didn't lost the screw, the wing. It didn't lost the screw, but the plastic is still intact. Screw gone though. Let's see, why did it lose the screw? Oh, because I got those serrated washers instead of the... why? I got the serrated washers down there holding in place instead of the lock nuts. Ain't that perfect? Ain't that peachy? You are definitely an outcast. I mean, yeah, you are an outcast. There we talking about. Slam the ground. For all you fucks out there that don't think that these shocks can bottom out, that big fat clat right there, or a splat, if you want to call it something, was the truck slamming the ground. Okay. Now I'm definitely about to tear up something if I keep it up. Because I see a whole lot of stuff jiggling and wiggling in there. Yeah, I really do need to tie down my ESC. Strap it down. Strap it down. And, yeah. Whatever. Oh, what the heck? Okay, was I on drugs when I did this? Why wouldn't I use double-sided tape? Why would I use this stuff? This stuff don't stick to... Really? That's weird. Okay. I just must have been chilling when I did this. It's fine. It's fine. That's fine. Oh, God. But yeah, this is pretty much how I treat my Outcast. And anything that looks like it, anything that wants to do what this thing does, yeah, it gets whipped at. But it's still going. It still goes. It still gets beat. And it still wins. Okay, that is definitely LVC. I'm not gonna ruin these batteries. Not these batteries. Not these DXF batteries. These things are awesome. So let's just call it with you not destroying yourself today, Outcast. Oh, God. Oh, I love this look. It looks so beat the heck up, but this body. Yeah, I made this body to definitely survive a ton of nonsense. I gotta go over this body just for a second. I mean, it's hideous. And it's Mad Max as hell. But you're wondering why it's not destroyed. Because, yeah, the panels are awesome. But it's still just the actual Yeti. But, as you can see, there is the reinforcement right there that lines up directly with that. So obviously I was thinking ahead of time, like, yeah, I'm about to destroy this body. And Big Brain said, hell no. And yeah, this is just a regular old flimsy actual Yeti body. But flimsy enough. If anything has the support in it, even if it's kind of gimpy, it's still gonna support the truck. Yeah, it works. Oh God, let me end this. Seriously, oh, oh, this truck is so fun. Whew.